Hello everyone, welcome to MYCHWAY, the confidence of beauties. So for today, we are recreating our channels for better contents and also better communication for all of our friends from all around the world. We're excited to share with you the latest and also the greatest in the world of beauty. During this live stream, we will be showcasing a wide range of different products to help you to enhance your daily beauty routine and also help you to look better and feel your best. From body sculpting to hair care, from skincare to your makeup, we got everything for everybody. Our team of experts will be providing a demonstration and also sharing you a tips and answering your question in real time. We're also going to talk about the latest trends and also demonstrating the different products, how to use the different products, and also sharing you the insider information about the best way to help you to achieve the flawless look. You will get it up close and take a personal look at our featured beauty products, including their benefits, ingredients, and how they can be incorporated into your daily beauty routine. So we will be sharing exclusive promotion and discounts so you can take advantages in the special offer during our live stream. Remember, only in our live stream. But it's not just about products, we want this can be an interactive experience, so we engage you to share thoughts, ask questions, and also engage with us with the other viewers in our chat. Our team is here to help and also provide personalized recommendations based on your needs and your preference. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired by the whole world of beauty. And we'd like to more of you guys come and join us, give us some thumbs, and also leave your comments and also share our live stream. Join us in this exciting live stream, and also let's explore the wonderful world of the beauty products together. Get ready to discover new favorites, learn insider tips, and also have fun with MYCHWAY live stream.